most of the days when you are actually burning in the summer heat, but there is no sign of rain. But suddenly you look outside and see a cloudy, dark sky. And after that, there's some heavy rain. So after the rain, I immediately head out somewhere very beautiful. It's not easy to live somewhere with so many traffic and car horns. And with the weather turning so gorgeous, I couldn't resist taking a little escape to the village side. There's just something so calming and grounding about being surrounded by nature. Far from all the hustle and bustle of everyday's life. And back here, just after rain, the colors are so vibrant. The deep greens of the vegetation against the clear blue sky. And I can say I wasn't completely alone there. The environment and everything is so peaceful and refreshing. And when you are in nature, you get some time to think and process whatever is going on with your life. But I must say, my mind was crying to go a little bit higher and climb the tower and get a look of that base, but it wasn't safe, especially after rain. But I can see the horizon from here and it looks amazing. Just trees and birds flying by. It's just amazing. And that's how I began my journey for the rainy season, and I have plans to visit some beautiful places and experience the rain in a different way that I have never done before. So I will see you guys in another adventure. Peace out.